Hi, Breddies!
I said hello.
She said hello, I said hi. How you doing? How are you doing, Jane?
Good.
You excited today?
Yes.
What are we drawing, Jane?
A cute octopus.
A cute octopus! How many legs does an octopus have?
8.
How many?
8.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
But in this episode, we are doing...
There's only gonna be 5 in this drawing because the other ones are kind
It's
of
a baby.
wiggling around, hiding.
It's
Okay,
a baby.
let's get started. So all you need is something to draw on.
Like a board.
Piece of paper and...
What about cardboard? Let's draw our
marker.
cardboard. Yay.
No, don't draw on your clipboard. We use clipboards, Breddies. We like them. Makes it easy on us. So grab a piece of paper, grab something to draw with, crayon, marker, pencil, and let's draw a cute octopus. You ready? All right, Breddies, we're gonna do our cute octopus. So we're basically just gonna do a big circle with 5 legs or tentacles. Should be really fun, quick and easy one today. You ready, Jane? All right, so I'm gonna do my circle, not really exact circle, so just follow along. It's gonna look more like an octopus, which I don't really know. It's like an oval / circle. So you could do yours however you want, Breddies. This is how we're teaching you. We're gonna go almost like a smile. And Breddies, notice how I keep it right in the middle of my page. Okay, go Jane, do your smile.
So it kind of
big smile.
It looks flat.
Yeah, kind of flat.
Yours is
A low
square.
smile. Just a little smile.
Okay. Is it
Remember,
big?
remember, don't go too far.
Is it big?
Yeah,
Did you
keep it
have
in the middle. Don't go too far.
Look up here.
Oh, that's smart.
Here.
There you go.
That's cute. Ooh, no, I have the good marker.
Good job.
I have the good
Jane.
marker.
All right, now, Breddies, we're gonna kind of do an upside down smile here.
Upside
We're gonna
down.
go out a little bit, up, around, and down.
I accidentally did a line.
See, it's not really a circle. It's not really, it's okay, Jane. That's fine. Go.
I'll just put it there.
It's okay. I don't want it in your way. All right, go ahead. Connect it.
I want to do it cute.
That's gonna be really cute.
Is that why I called it cute
Yeah,
octopus?
it's gonna be how to draw a cute octopus. All right.
I want to.
Now, Breddies, what is important is that we get our legs kind of the same size because octopus have 8 legs and they're all the same size.
And
So let's figure out the middle, and then we want our middle leg right in the middle like that, and it's cute, so it's just a short stubby one. All right, Jane, almost like a big popsicle stick.
That looks like a popsicle.
It does, huh? All right, do your middle leg.
I want it chubby, chubby.
Great, that was so good, Jane. All right, now we're gonna do 2 on this side and 2 on that side, and remember, Jane, we want them the same width as that
Can you
one.
do a dot?
So watch me, watch me. Gonna go down at an angle, so it's going out a little, and then up.
Can you do dot?
Sure. Boop, boop, boop,
No.
like that.
I meant just do one at the
sorry.
bottom.
All right, Breddies, so you wanna do your last one on this side to almost take up this full space. So go right where this one ended and start from there and go out at a more of an angle and back in, just like that.
Can you just do one dot?
You just want one dot? So from there to like there.
That's short.
That'll look good. And back up. All right, Breddies. Now we're gonna mirror. That means make the same of this over here. So we want to get that same angle. You see my little angle right here, this triangle? We want to do that again over here. And it's okay if it's not perfect. We just try our best. So we're gonna go out at an angle, around, and back up. Oh, that one's a little bigger than that one, but it's okay. All right, Jane, go for it.
I'm waiting for the dot.
The dot? Oh, you want my dot? All right, so we're gonna start there. You're gonna go out. We want that nice little space, same. Right there.
And you stop talking and just do the dot.
Oh boy. Good job. Go back up. All the way back up. Come on. All right, one last one, Breddies. Again, a little bit of an angle going out. Start here. Go around and up. Perfect. It's looking so cute, Breddies. All right, Jane. Catch up. It's almost my favorite part.
Oh.
Yeah. Got one more.
Dot.
There you go.
I did a dot for myself.
Good job.
Done.
Perfect. So cute.
Can we
All
do
right.
the
Let's do the
FACE.
the face. Good
Hey,
spelling.
don't
All
tell
right.
the bread.
I'm doing big eyes. I like to do them low to the corner and wide. I think that makes it look so cute. So one eye and one more eye, Breddies.
Okay, I'm gonna do it big.
Cute.
Yep.
That is really cute.
Okay.
Good job, Jane.
I'm doing
She's
my
making sure her eyes are level. I like it. And you know what I do next, Breddies? Small circle, big circle.
I just want to color it in.
Small circle. Go ahead, Jane, whenever you want.
I'm gonna color it in.
And then I color in the sides. It's looking so good. All right,
Let me
Breddies.
see what it would look like.
Let-
I'm just gonna do that.
Jane's catching up. I'm gonna add my mouth.
Aww.
I'm just gonna do a super easy smile. Just like a low little upside down.
How cute does that look?
Actually, a regular U. That's it, Breddies. So cute and easy.
Look how cute mine is.
That is very cute. All right, Breddies. Now we're gonna add some circles for, well, Breddies, we're gonna do cheeks a different color. So when we get our colors out, we'll add some cute cheeks there. I don't like doing my cheeks with the black marker. Same with some dots. We'll do some dots later to make it look like the octopus. Cool skin. All right, first let's add our suckers. Octopus have suckers.
Oh, yeah.
Little suckers on their legs.
I thought you said octopus had a sucker to suck.
Oh, that'd be cute, a sucker. All right, so all we're gonna do is 2 ovals on the inside of each of these. 2 ovals. Watch, and we're not gonna do it on this one because why? That's like the front leg. You can't see this.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we'll start right here, Breddies. Everyone know what an oval is? This is an oval. Ready? Oval.
And a little one.
Oval.
And
Just
don't
like that.
forget the one inside.
Yep, we're gonna do that.
I
And then
teach that part.
oval. Oval.
Can I teach?
I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I think this is kind of cute. I'm not gonna do that inside. Yeah, I'm gonna do it different. Oval. Oval.
Breddies, if you want to do it, then do one circle inside.
Yeah, you can do another
and
circle.
Another circle.
That's a little more detailed, but I think this is just a real simple, cute one.
Yeah, but it's not really cute.
Oval. Oval.
I think it's gonna
Check it out, Breddies. It looks so cute.
Of course, when we color it.
We're gonna fast forward this part, Breddies. We hope you had fun drawing along. Let's start to color. We'll see you at the end of the video. action. We're back, Breddies. Wow, did we have fun or what, Jane?
We did.
What did we draw?
An octopus.
Ready to reveal it?
No.
3, 2.
No!
What are we doing?
10.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
3.
Blast off!
2.
Where's yours?
1.
Whose is better, Breddies? You like my teal one or Jane's pink one?
Don't you like it? I use different colors.
Oh, she used purple, pink, and a hot pink. And have you noticed, look, it matches my sweater.
And it matches my sweater.
We had so much fun with you, Breddies. We hope you did too. Jane, what do they need to do at home? Like and subscribe. Yep, and practice, actually. That's a good answer. So, Breddies, like and subscribe. Tell your friends. If they want to draw with us, come draw with us. You like drawing? You like drawing. They
and
like
make
drawing.
sure you don't try to look for octopuses.
Be careful when you're looking for octopuses. If you stick your finger in their mouth, they might bite you.
They don't have any mouth.
They got a beak. They got beaks. Research it. They're crazy. I love octopuses. All right, Breddies. That's it for today. We hope you had so much fun drawing a cute octopus with us.
Oh,
Stay
and
tuned for more.
make sure you comment that mine is the best.
Well, now that we have
No
kids
dads,
YouTube.
no dads, no dads. Only James. No,
All right.
I have.
Bye, Breddies. Ah! Yeah. Is my hair all silly?
No.
It better not be. That look good, Breddies?
He looks bad.
No.
I'm gonna stick this through your mouth.
Oh, I'm gonna take away all your Play-Doh. You always put in Play-Doh.
I love so good. Come here, Play-Doh.
Bye, Breddies.